Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to insert an image in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. So it's very simple to add a photo in the Photoshop. So if you just open up a canvas like this, you can simply go to the desktop. Okay, just you need to drag and drop the image into the canvas. Like if you have an image like this, you can simply drag and drop into the timeline, and as you can see, now it is on to the canvas. Okay, rather than that, if you just want to edit an image, what you can simply do is to go to the files, then tap on open, and from here you can simply go and select the image. Like I will go with this, and as you can see, we got the image right over here. So now you can simply edit the image. So two options, one is to drag and drop. Like you can simply drag and drop like this, like the image, or rather than that, you can simply go to the open or edit a simple image. So that's how you can simply insert an image in Adobe Photoshop. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.